Welcome. In front of me is a Sony Xperia 2 or version 2, and today I will show you how to insert some SD into the device. So to get started, unlock the device, and all you need to do is pop the tray out using your fingernails. Pop it out from the upper left side of the device, and in here you can insert your SIM card and SD. Now make sure that they're laying flush. They should be actually holding there by itself if you flip it over, as you can see. And from there, slide the button on the device and wait for it to reboot, as long as I can actually insert it. There we go. Now the device will reboot for some reason, if I remember correctly. And there we go. So unfortunately, for some reason, Sony always reboots their devices after inserting SIM card. It's the only device that does it. So let's just simply wait for it to boot back up. And there we go. So as you can see, the SIM card is working based on the pin for it, and then you have the SD card message about it right here, and obviously both of them are working. So that is how you would insert SIM and SD. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.